Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's special dish is quick and easy pasta recipe. I do not have the pasta sauce, which I typically get it from the store. Different taste and in a unique way to enjoy the pasta. So let's get started with the recipe and check out the ingredients. If you're new and haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Alright, so let's check out the ingredients for our quick pasta recipe. I have taken the Ziti pasta this time. You can take macaroni or any pasta that of your choice. Some Italian seasoning, mozzarella cheese. This is a shredded one. Just to top it up, I have this red capsicum or bell pepper, roughly chopped, 1 tomato and 1 onion. 2 green chilies. Again, this is depending upon your taste. I like it a little spicy, so we are adding some green chilies here. And I have this chili garlic sauce as well. Just a little flavor there. And some tomato ketchup and salt. You can also add minced chicken. Okay. Alright, so I have my water boiling with some salt, and I'm adding my Ziti pasta. Alright, so while my pasta is boiling and cooking, we are adding 2 tablespoons of oil in a separate pan. Alright, so once the oil is hot, let's add chili and onion. We will saute onion for some time by adding salt. Alright, so in about 4 minutes, our onion is translucent now. We are adding our tomatoes and bell pepper. And this is the time you can add your choice of meat. I prefer the ground meat here. Alright, so our pasta is almost cooked. Maybe 1 more minute here while we add some spices and flavors in this masala. So I'm adding about half a teaspoon of salt, 1 small teaspoon of chili garlic paste, almost 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup, and some Italian seasoning. Alright, so let's give that a good mix. And I will drain the pasta water and we will add the pasta in the mixture that we made here. Let's drain our pasta water. And that goes in the mixture that we made earlier. Let's give that a good mix. Alright, so after you mix everything together, last step is to add some cheese. Make sure the salt is in right quantity. So I just added just a couple pinches of salt and some more cheese, and this dish is ready. It's our dinner for tonight. Alright, so to make it creamy, we are adding just 2 tablespoons of mayo. This is optional, but just to get that creamy flavor, we like it because we added green chilies, so it will go well and it will blend with the nice flavors. So let's give that a good mix and then start serving while it's hot. And I have garnished with some Italian seasoning and coriander. So I hope you like this recipe. It's quick and easy pasta dish without the pasta sauce, which is the store-bought pasta or the ready-made pasta. So try this out and let me know how you like it. And if you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share your feedback, and of course, if you have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and watch my other recipes as well. So thank you so much once again, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.